Hello everyone, Sebastian Long here from Microdrones, and we are here at the Drone Demo Day, which is an event organized by Seiler here in St. Louis. And we're here today to present the latest products of Microdrones and our latest solutions.
Hello, Chuck Dorgan here in St. Louis, Missouri with Seiler Instrument. They're going to be doing a demonstration today with 45 of their current customers, showcasing a Microdrones LiDAR 1000 solution.
My name is Lanny Schnipper. I'm Vice President of Seiler Instrument. We're a company that's been around since 1945. We specialize in providing solutions to geospatial industry, surveyors, construction, engineering. So this is the Geodrones logo right here. This is very similar to the Seiler logo, which has the reticle. So we put the propeller in there to show that we are now taking our Seiler expertise of surveying and optical sighting and geospatial measurements into the drone community. So we represent multiple vendors, including Microdrones, which is our premier vendor.
So I'm Travis. I'm the director of Seiler Geodrones, our new branding for our drone division at Seiler Instrument. We're excited to highlight the MD LiDAR system here. First, we're going to go have an educational session, and we're going to talk about the drones and the sensors and the platforms and help users figure out what the best sort of choices are out there for making a drone work for their programs. So after we do that, we're going to come outside here and we're going to spend some time going through the different platforms. We're going to fly them over this place. We've got a nice area where we have restricted control, so it's nice and safe. We're going to send these things up, collect some great data, and then we're going to go back inside and take a look at the data and review the results.